Hi, I'm Vaishali Beda. I'm a homemaker and I'm a proud mother of Pratit, who has completed his 10th in Learn Concepts. My journey starts 3 years back when I was really struggling for the classes for him. And my son had a fear of numbers, maths basically. Within 2-3 months, I saw a different confidence, a very drastic change I can say. And I could see Pratit was gaining confidence. He was coming out of the fear of maths. The best thing about Learn Concepts, what I liked was that they teach the subject, they teach the concepts theoretically as well as practically. And that was the plus point here. During his 10th standard, in the last phase, sometimes sir used to take the online classes also, the Skype, and we used to do the classes through Skype. And that also helped him a lot. Now for my youngest son, the same journey starts. He's in 8th standard now and I'm very happy about it, and he'll be continuing till 10th standard.
I would like to say that this tuition is very good in teaching, especially with visual and teaching aids. They also show us different kinds of projects they have made by themselves, and they also let us make our own projects.
Coming in this class has helped me a lot, and it has improved me to somebody who's more competitive than I was 2 years before. I just love the environment here, and the aids provided to us to study here are just awesome. There are many tools like projectors, then you've got other extra books which you can take home to study. There are a lot of teaching aids which are provided here which I loved a lot.
After joining a tuition, the way sir explained me everything, the new concepts, the basic, which he helped me start from the scratch. Sir taught us the new tricks, the shortcuts which we can do, and with his experiments, we got to know our concepts even better. So as the name suggests, Learn Concepts, sir teaches from the basic, the concepts, which help us a lot. The staff over here is amazing. They are very kind. They help us in all the difficulties, solve our problems, take special class for the problems. So yeah, the class is very good and it's worth joining it.
After observing that students are struggling with their concepts in studies, we came up with the idea that we should have something for them, and the institute was formed that came up with the name Learn Concepts. The idea behind Learn Concepts is we should be helping the students to do a lot of practical experiments, projects, work on their doubts, problem solving. Students should be taught to have experiential learning in a class, and when they are doing this, they help themselves to build a confidence, and we see that they are improving in the results by 20%. That's what we have seen from last 3 years. Being an institute with one student last 3 years back, today we are with 125 students, and that's our success story, with students scoring more than 20% in their average scoring marks. So we suggest that you should be joining Learn Concepts in this way.